Hey guys, how are you? Just wanted to come on real quick and show you how you can access Google Classroom from home. So you can do a couple of things. As you can see, I just have a web browser open. I'm right on google.com. And one of the things that you can do is you can click up here on this icon. These are your Google apps. So you would just click on this and then you would scroll down until you find Google Classroom, and then you would click on that. Or you can also, right in the address bar, just type in classroom.google.com, but either way, it should take you there. And so if you get a screen that looks like this, where it's asking you to click to join your first class, one of the things that could be happening is you could be currently signed on to a different Google account, one that is not your at westorangeschools.org account. And so what you would have to do is you would have to click down here where it says try another account, and you would have to input your school email address. So your first initial, last name, 28 at westorangeschools.org. And then, of course, your password would be STU hashtag and then your ID number. But without that information, it will not get you to your Google Classroom. So you would have to click here, and you would have to make sure you put in your at westorangeschools.org information. And once you do that, it should go ahead and take you right into Google Classroom, and you should be able to access all of your classes. So I hope that you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, of course, you can always email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I hope that you found this information helpful. Bye for now.